Be Posants. 10 People Addiction with Extreme Plastic Surgery. Human Barbie, who has spent £500,000 on cosmetic surgery to transform herself, performs Botox and fillers on herself after turning her home into a clinic. Her children have already been given plastic surgery vouchers by their mother as a gift, to either use themselves or cash in when they are older. A plastic surgery addict, who has had more than £500,000 worth of treatment, has turned her home into a clinic after qualifying as a practitioner. Sarah Birch, 55, who lives in Stratford-upon-Avon, has undergone more than 150 cosmetic procedures and is now helping patients get the look they want by performing a variety of treatments. The mother of 3 is qualified to administer Botox, nose jobs via injections, cheek augmentations, and lip enhancements, otherwise known as the Paris Pout, and can even do some of the work on herself. Cher has claimed she's had only 2 plastic surgeries, her nose and breasts, but we're not falling for that. Plastic surgeons have speculated that Cher may have had a tummy tuck, liposuction, fat grafting facelift, a la Madonna, blepharoplasty, eyelid surgery, and injectable fillers and wrinkle treatments like Botox. She's been quoted as saying, "Everyone says I am terrified of getting old, but the truth is that in my job becoming old and becoming extinct are one and the same thing." Only to be dethroned by Miss Sarah Birch, Cindy Jackson was once the reigning queen of plastic surgery in the Guinness Book of World Records. With aspirations of being a Barbie doll, Cindy has had 31 operations over the span of 14 years to get where she was today. She's had nose jobs, eye lifts, cheek implants, lip augmentation, cosmetic dentistry, chin reduction, jaw reshaping, facelifts, breast implants, removal of breast implants, fat transfers, liposuction, soft tissue filler injections, laser treatments, dermabrasion, and chemical peels, to name a few. The total cost adds up to about $100,000 with, Cindy has pointed out, some quality discounts. We followed her bad life choices in the MTV reality hit The Hills, but Heidi Montag's most outrageous move up to date has been off-screen and under the knife. This previously fresh-faced beauty, I'm talking season 1 here, has recently opened up about her 10 plastic procedures all done in one day. A nose job revision, chin reduction, mini brow lift, Botox in forehead and frown area, fat injections in cheeks, nasolabial folds in lips, neck liposuction, ears pinned back, liposuction on waist, hips, and inner and outer thighs, buttock augmentation and breast augmentation revision adds to her already done lips, boobs, and nose. That was season 2. Pictures of Heidi Montag plastic surgery tell it all. Alana Starr is definitely one of a kind. She's a preoperative transsexual who's made appearances on Maury and in many a pornographic movie. Anyway, she's most known for her extensive plastic surgery to look like a female. More than 300 surgeries and over $100,000 later, she's emerged with 6 nose jobs, 4 breast implants, silicone injection to the lips, hips, and butt, chin implant, liposuction all over her body, Adam's apple filing, brow lift, facelift, ears pinned back, eyelids done, and a chin and jaw reduction. Somebody give this woman an award. Besides the AVN Award for Transsexual Performer of the Year she won in 2008. Farrah Abraham, star of MTV's Teen Mom, is slated to undergo her 3rd breast augmentation surgery in October 2015. Her first boob job didn't go big enough for the reality star, so she got a second. The 3rd operation will be performed to fix the botched job that the 2nd surgeon did. This is her 3rd boob job in 5 years. Joan Rivers's motto is "Better a new face coming out of an old car than an old face coming out of a new car." And she sure has the face to back it up and then some. Ms. Rivers isn't shy about her many surgeries and has had multiple facelifts, a brow lift, Botox, soft tissue fillers, jaw implants, multiple nose jobs, veneers, blepharoplasty, eye work, liposuction, cheek implants, and breast implants. That's plenty enough for everyone, including herself, to keep on cracking jokes. A disturbing animal morph, Lizard Man has dedicated his life to modifying his body into that of a lizard's, reasons unknown. He has his ears and septum pierced and stretched, 5 Teflon horns subdermally implanted above his eyes to form hooded ridges, 4 teeth filed into fangs, and his tongue bifurcated. With an estimated $250,000 worth of surgeries and procedures, and more than 650 hours of tattooing, Lizard Man does not make anyone green with envy. But I guess lizards are supposed to be a tad repulsive. Just to prove how obsessed this man is, Catman is his legal name. At 23, Catman began his transformation into a Catman after being told in a dream to follow the ways of a tiger. He's spent more than $150,000 and 2,000 hours of surgery and tattooing to become the hybrid he is today. For a picturesque description, Catman's got tattooed eyes, modified upper lip, tiger teeth caps, green contact lenses, clipped ears, 6-inch fiberglass whiskers implanted into his face, and his entire body tattooed in stripes. It would be really sad if he ever found that the message in his dream was supposed to be a metaphor. After catching her husband having an affair with a younger woman, Jocelyn Wildenstein did as any rational woman would do, try and become a giant feline to win her husband's heart back. Well, it didn't work because her husband reportedly screamed and ran out of the room after one look at her post-surgery. She has spent about $4 million on her plastic surgery, and when asked how many she's had, she's been recorded as saying no more or less than any woman. She clearly doesn't have that many girlfriends.